So as you can see, guys, I'll get paid about $300 every single day and get notified through my email. Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Albert, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about 2 proven ways of making money online. Why I'm saying 2 proven ways? Because I have seen so many videos on YouTube, but they all are incorrect. With that being said, let's get started then. First of all, we're going to have to open up an account from PayPal, and I'm going to be showing you guys my own PayPal account, and so we can also take advantage from this method as well. And I'm sure that if you watch until the end of this video, you'll understand how easy it is to make money online using this method. You have never seen such before. Okay, basically, as you are now seeing that my earnings are more than 56,000 US, and guys, it's never been easy for me to do this. I've done so many things to have such an amazing passive income, and so I'm going to be showing you my exactly daily income from this system as well. This graph illustrates the data about the passive income for the last 30 days. And guys, it really depends on you, the actions that you take, how many actions, and the more actions you take, the more money you will get paid, And for me, it's normally like on a daily basis, I'll get paid $300, sometimes less, sometimes higher, but on a daily basis, $300. And here's 370 on that day, $400, $470 in that day, for example. As you see that, sometimes high, sometimes a little bit lower than usual. However, you get paid daily, which is really great. And one of the important things to make money on a daily basis using this system is traffic. And of course, I'm going to be talking a little bit more about that later on. And so now I'm about to show you the secrets, ways and tricks I use to get that consistent money flow. And I'll be working with referrals. Like I said before, you can actually use this method to promote your Nibox or NorseClicks, Cash Travel, Global Box, and clixsense, and there are actually tons of them, but I do consider them to be one of the good ones I've ever seen, and they are my favorite ones. There's a little bit of information about the money income for the last months. I earned more than $800 and $300. It's been one of my biggest accomplishments so far, and I really appreciate this. You can do that as well. I'm completely sure that you have the capability to do this way better than me. All you have to do is to have some real traffic to your referrals and your affiliate links, if you want to promote your affiliate link, of course. And you can use this to get unlimited leads and sign ups to your landing page, and you can build your list, earn money from this system. Okay, so how to get real traffic to your referrals? Actually, there are 2 ways of how to get unlimited real traffic to your landing page or referral link or affiliate link. Alright, let's jump for the first one. We'll be using the website, which is named turbowebsitetraffic.com. So this is turbowebsitetraffic.com. Honestly, I really like this website. As you can see from this homepage, on the right top corner, there is a button or link named Order, and the only thing involved here is to go and order and fill in the form provided. And there is a link, of course, for this one. And inside the form, there are some information needs to be provided, like your name, your email, and the URL link. So we're going to be putting that affiliate, whatever you have. And of course, you can choose it to affiliate whatever you have, like there's a landing page plus, max bounty, whatever you wanted to promote, just put it there and choose it. So what's next? Then we have to choose for the website. Love this website because always I'll get with this